What is a rust converter and when should you use it before applying a silicone roof coating on a metal roof? Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. When you are restoring a metal roof, rust is one of the most common issues you will run into. But not all rust requires replacing the metal. In many cases, it can be treated. That's where a rust converter comes in. A rust converter is a special chemical coating that reacts with iron oxide, which is rust, and converts it into a more stable protective compound. It usually turns the rusted surface into a dark, sealed layer that helps stop the corrosion from continuing. But before applying a rust converter, proper preparation is still necessary. Loose rust should be removed using wire brush, grinder, or power washing so that the converter can properly react with the remaining rust. Rust converters are typically used when the metal is lightly or moderately rusted but still structurally sound. Once the rust is stabilized and the surface is clean and dry, you can proceed with the roof coating system, for example, applying SiliconEx 500. So, the sequence is simple. Clean the roof, remove loose rust, apply a rust converter where needed, and then proceed with the coating system. Proper preparation like this ensures better adhesion and much longer performance for the roof restoration. If you have questions about metal roof preparation or coating systems, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Questions, contact us or comments below. Like it, hit like. Want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.